Hiya, so today in this video I'm going to sort out these ladders from just being leaned up wherever, all over the place, in the way, or shoving them down the side of the shed. It's hard to get them in and out of. And then so today I'm going to use these brackets to get the ladders, stop the ladders from just being leaned anywhere or tucked down in between the sheds, and then just use a bit of 3-strand rope, separate the strands, make a loop on each end, so then I can put the extra chairs that are just lying around from the garden table set on here as well, up and out the way, out of sight, tidy up the garden a little bit. So first thing I need to do, offer them up like that, but leave enough room between the tops so you can lift it up and over your bracket. Then I want the bottom of my bracket to be in line with my pencil mark. Screws. I'm going to put this piece of wood behind there as well, just start strengthening this up a bit anyway. I mean, always in the way. Now we know where our screws are going to go through the wood. Another thing, if you put them too wide apart, so I've put that one there, it's not going to fit in the top or in the gaps between the steps of your ladders, and then that other ladder is smaller as well. So I'll keep them close together just so you know you're guaranteed they're going to fit through. Then there's your ladders done. So just get your roof, separate it. Probably fast forward this by 4 because it's going to take a while. 4 speed coming off. And burn your end. Hold your breath, you don't want to be breathing that in. That end's already burnt. And one leaf. burn it, stop it, prevent it from fraying. This one needs a little bit more burning. It's coming apart. Then we need our chairs that are lying around everywhere. Mixture of screws, what we're saying. We need 1, 2, 3 small screws. So when you're being lazy and you don't want to get your countersink with your drill bit, PZ2, PZ1, PZ1, PZ1. A bit easier to do now. See, already hit my head on it once. So don't mess about measuring your wood first. Whack it on there. There we go. Chairs and ladders that are always lying around everywhere, out of the way. See, 2 of the chairs buried under there, if you can see them there. You know what I mean? That's long getting them out now, isn't it? See them in a couple of years. From here, you can hardly tell that the ladders and chairs are there. Unless you know where to look. Tidy.